Everyone thinks the best-selling water pressure booster pump is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, EcoWorthy 33 Series Pump. The EcoWorthy 33 Series Industrial Water Pressure Pump. Priced at $68.39, this pump caught my eye with its impressive 4.0 GPM flow capacity. If you want reliable performance for your RV or garden, this is worth a serious look. Here's why you should consider it. The 110V AC diaphragm design turns on and off based on water pressure with a maximum pressure of 50 psi. This means you get water instantly when you need it, without any hassle. Plus, it self-primes up to 9.8 feet and can lift water up to 131 feet high. Talk about powerful. And with over 3,000 units sold just last month, there's a clear demand for this. Now, I have to be honest, some users noted it can be a bit noisy when it kicks in. Here's the thing though, if you're using it outdoors or in a garage, you probably won't mind much. But if you're looking for something ultra quiet for indoor use, you might want to think twice. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for RVs or irrigation. Skip this one if you're very sensitive to noise or need something compact. Now, if the noise concern bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, EcoWorthy 110V AC Pump. The EcoWorthy 110V AC Fresh Transfer Diaphragm Water Pump, priced at $89.99. This one really caught my attention with its 5.5 GPM flow rate. If you want a strong performer for irrigation or home use, this could be the right choice for you. What sets this pump apart? The upgraded pressure switch allows it to maintain a solid 70 psi, which means consistent water pressure for all your needs. It's self-priming up to 9.8 feet and can lift water the same impressive 131 feet. Over 1,000 buyers have grabbed this recently, so it's not just me that thinks it's worth it. But let's keep it real. Some buyers mention that it can take a bit of tweaking to get the pressure just right. Here's my take. Once you get it dialed in, it works like a charm. If you're comfortable doing a little setup, you'll love this pump. This is a great pick if you need a reliable pump for daily use around the house. Skip it if you want something that's plug and play without any adjustments. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, TDR Super Water Booster Pump. The TDR Super Water Pressure Booster Pump, retailing for $61.99. This one grabbed my attention due to its compact design and strong specs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, check this out. This 110-volt AC diaphragm pump delivers 5.0 GPM and can lift water an impressive 164 feet. It's self-priming, and the factory preset pressure is 70 psi. If you've got low water pressure issues, this pump is designed to fix that. Plus, it comes with a filter and various fittings, which is a nice bonus for easy installation. However, some reviews pointed out it might not last as long as pricier models. Here's the thing though, if you're only using it occasionally, this pump offers fantastic value without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for occasional use in your garden or RV. Skip it if you're looking for a heavy-duty pump that will run daily. Now, if the price is a big factor for you, the next pump offers a powerful performance at a reasonable cost.
Product number 4, KitLuck Water Transfer Pump. The KitLuck Water Transfer Garden Pump, priced at $129.99. This pump stands out with its powerful 1.6 HP motor. If you have big irrigation projects or need something for heavy-duty tasks, this may be your best bet. This pump can transfer a whopping 1,000 gallons per hour and lift water up to 150 feet. It's designed for versatility, meaning whether you need to drain a pool or irrigate a large garden, it has you covered. And with its durable construction, you won't have to worry too much about wear and tear either. One downside though is that it's heavier at 15 pounds, which can make it a bit cumbersome to move around. But if you need that power and durability, I think it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, heavy-duty performance for large tasks. Skip it if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. Finally, if you want something more compact but still effective, our last product might just fit the bill.
Product number 5, AidPath Water Pressure Booster Pump. The AidPath Water Pressure Booster Pump, available for $99.98. What caught my eye was its smart technology that adjusts to your water needs. If you want something efficient and intuitive, this is worth checking out. This model offers 3 preset power levels and can deliver a maximum flow rate of 480 GPH. It uses a smart system that adjusts pressure based on real-time water consumption, which means it saves energy while providing consistent pressure. Plus, it operates quietly at around 40 decibels, making it an excellent choice for indoor use. But some users have reported it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. Now, I get it. Setup can be a hassle, but once you're through that, the performance can be worth it. The energy savings alone could make it pay for itself in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a tech-savvy solution for your home. Skip this one if you want something that's straightforward without any adjustments. So, there you have it. If you're looking to boost your water pressure, each of these pumps has its unique strengths, whether it's power, price, or smart technology.
We've covered a variety of water pressure booster pumps. The EcoWorthy models are great for straightforward use, while the TDR Super is a budget-friendly option. The KitLuck is perfect for heavy-duty tasks, and the 8-Path offers smart technology for the modern home. Each one has its pros and cons, so think about what fits your needs best.